Chile's Salar de Atacama reveals vast evaporation ponds, a critical source of lithium.
Key raw materials, lithium, graphite, cobalt, and nickel, are essential for battery production.
Industrial brine pumps extract mineral-rich fluid from the arid salt flats. Automated machinery efficiently harvests powdery and lithium carbonate from dried ponds.
Colossal machinery carves terraced layers from an open-pit graphite mine.
A flotation cell bubbles vigorously, separating graphite-rich foam from impurities. Inside a bustling plant, steel crushers pulverize graphite ore into fine powder.
A miner delves deeper into a dark shaft, drilling for cobalt and nickel. High-tech mixing tanks vigorously stir cathode precursor slurry, highlighting advanced production.
Fine cathode powder is precisely sieved, ensuring uniform particle size for battery components.
Shiny copper foil is precisely coated with graphite slurry, then dried for anode production. Heated calendaring rollers compress graphite anode material, creating a smooth, uniform layer.
A clear polymer film is extruded as a perfectly smooth sheet, highlighting scientific precision. A high-precision laser swiftly cuts electrode shapes, showcasing futuristic manufacturing. Robotic arms meticulously layer battery sheets, forming compact cell jelly rolls with intricate precision.
A robotic arm precisely inserts electrode assemblies into either pouches or cylindrical casings. A laser welding station creates strong, precise connections with brilliant flashes of light. A precision dispenser injects electrolyte fluid into the cell, absorbed by porous components.
Hundreds of lithium-ion cells undergo initial charging in a vast, dimly lit formation room.
Automated machines precisely seal battery cells, ensuring airtight integrity for longevity. Automated vacuum chambers degas pouch cells, visibly flattening them for optimal performance.
The voltage drift on Module 3 is still slightly elevated.
Yes, but the temperature gradient remains stable within the parameters.
Split screen. A technician inspects a cell, while an X-ray reveals its perfectly aligned internal layers.
Robotic arms swiftly sort cells into designated bins, efficiently grading batteries by performance.
Workers meticulously arrange graded cells into module frames, ensuring perfect alignment for assembly.
A technician carefully connects the BMS to a module, integrating smart technology for control. Workers precisely attach bus bars to cells, creating secure electrical connections with delicate sparks.
An automated arm lowers a rugged casing over a module, creating a robust, protective unit.
Lower it slowly, watch the alignment.
Copy that, easy now.
A sleek electric vehicle silently glides along a modern highway, powered by clean energy.
Robotic forklifts efficiently load battery packs onto pallets, then wrap them for shipping.
Laser scanners rigorously test an EV battery pack, displaying comprehensive safety data.
Lithium ions swiftly pass through a battery's electrolyte-saturated separator, crucial for ion transport. Witness the microscopic dance of lithium ions, powering tomorrow's world.
Look at the fluctuation on cell 4. The efficiency metric dipped at 1400 hours.
I see that. Rerouting the power flow should stabilize the current immediately.
A grid-scale battery facility seamlessly integrates with renewables, empowering our clean energy future. The unseen world of power, meticulously crafted for a future yet to unfold.
A lithium-ion cell releases vapor through a safety vent under extreme heat, demonstrating controlled thermal abuse.
The BMS silently protects, monitoring every crucial parameter in real time.
A smart grid integrates renewable energy, distributing power from turbines and solar panels to a glowing city.
Comparing current and future chemistries, a glimpse into battery innovation.
Witness the microscopic dance of innovation as silicon anodes unlock new energy frontiers.
A continuous animation depicts a circular economy. Materials flow into production, then recycle and reuse.
Futuristic electric transportation. A drone takes off, then an electric mining truck operates, both pulsing with blue energy.
An infographic displays rapidly increasing economic indicators, conveying prosperity and innovation.
A global map displays competing battery manufacturing hubs, symbolizing intense global rivalry.
Advanced portable devices subtly pulse with blue light, conveying the omnipresence of battery power.